Hi guys, Chynna here, skin specialist, and we are coming live today to show you our newest product that we have. This is from Color Science, and this is their newest eye product. Okay, so it's right here. So this is the Total Eye Firm and Repair. This is the newest product to the collection of Total Eye. What makes it different is it's really an eye cream. So it's made to be very emollient, very kind of balmy, good for like deep hydration to your skin, which is perfect when we're getting into these colder weather months. Okay, so the main kind of ingredient that makes this different is caffeine, actually. So what it's made to do to help depuff the area, help with those little fine lines and wrinkles, that texture you see under the eyes, and the crow's feet on the corners when you squint. It's helping to soften those lines. So I'll show you kind of the consistency here. It's a really nice smooth, it kind of stands up on its own, so it's really, really emollient. So it feels really nice and silky and smooth. Okay, so which I really like, especially when we're getting into winter. So how you can use this, when you can use this, especially when you're already using some of the other Total Eye products. You can put it underneath the Total Eye product, which has the SPF 35 and the concealer. So this has some makeup in there, so you just put it right on top of the Total Eye Firm and Repair. If you're needing a little bit more hydration, that way you're still getting your coverage and more treatment with this one. So that would be in the day. And then at night, if you're just using the concentrate, which is just kind of a serum. So it actually comes in a little roller ball here, and you just rub it right on the eyes, really nice and smooth. You'll put that all over the eyes, under eyes, and up on the brow bone. You can put the Total Eye Firm and Repair right over top of it. If you're needing some more hydration, this is going to give you a little bit more of a treatment as well. And then also, we have the eye masks. I love these. I use these a couple times a week. The mask you put just right over top of the products you're using. So if you're using like the Firm Repair or the concentrate, put that on. Put these on. This is going to push that into your skin so you get a little bit more treatment out of it. Okay? So you can use those however you feel like you need it, especially if you need some more hydration. The cool thing about this product, you can actually use it around your mouth as well. So if you're seeing some little fine lines get really dry there, go ahead and put the rest around your mouth and you're good to go. This is a thicker consistency, so you actually only need half a pump with this too. So yeah, so we'll do just half a pump and show you, and that's actually enough to go around both eyes as well. So I put half of it one eye, on the other, and you're good to go. Okay, so this, like I said, is the newest product from Color Science. You can come in, we can kind of show it to you, feel it, tell you how to put it into your regimen that you're already using at home. All right, thanks guys. And our number is 618. I don't remember the rest.
9117. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.